He doesn't know where to start. Yes.
What is that?
Put your fingers there.
Let's see, James. Can you tear this paper? Pull this up. Pull that open. What pretty paper. Annie Joyce always has such pretty paper. Pull it open. Pull the paper, James. What is it? Cars. Cars. What kind of cars?
Cars from the movie Cars?
Pull the paper off. Oh my goodness, a truck. Wow. What do you think, James?
Get them out.
I think this picture's going to be full of trucks.
I think you're right. You think we should get them out? Okay, let's see. What is this? Annie Joyce. I'd say that's a winner. Brooke. All right, Brooke, your present's over here, sweetie.
Look at yours.
Now, it looks like there's a big pink bow on there that you can pull.
You don't need any help to do that. You can do it yourself.
Wow, and then pull the package out.
Mommy, can you help me?
I can. Here, sit down.
How do we do this thing? Wow, look at this. Maybe. Oh, it's the other side you can put more cards.
There you go. There you go, see?
I don't know how to open this thing. Hold on, we don't want to
Oh, how pretty.
break it. Oh my God, that is a cutie thing.
It's little baby peas in a pod. You get to hold like a baby doll.
How do we do it?
Oh, look, they come out. Mama. Mama. Mama.
I don't
Mama.
this tape in here, James. Hold on. We have to take out this tape.
Wow. Everybody, can you say thank you, Annie Joyce and Uncle Rick?
Thank you, Uncle.
Thank you, Annie Joyce.
Thank you, Andy Joyce.
Thank you, Uncle Rick.
Thank you, Uncle Rick.
Everybody, look over here and say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yay!
James, Merry Christmas.
Wait, this is...
Merry Christmas. Thank you. We love you.